So I guess we're pretty lucky we weren't camping when the tree fell. So we're thankful for that. All right, we're at campsite 21 at Magnolia Springs State Park in Georgia. Got electric, water, fire pit, table. This is a pull-through site. Originally we had campsite 16, but apparently a tree fell on the electrical power box to that part of the loop. So they moved us to this site. 16 was more private and it was right on the edge of the lake. And we'll go see that here in a little bit. So this is the part of the tree that snapped off and landed on this power distribution box for the outer loop. And we're making our way to campsite 16 where Kim originally booked because it was pretty private.
Best camps. Oh.
And the best
And
campsite.
it was the best campsite here.
She always picks the great ones. And we like to get the ones typically kind of like these two, except obviously not this close together, that we can just back the van in. They placed us on a pull-through, which we don't like to take up those spaces, but that's where they put us.
We would not have booked ourselves into a pull-through site. We would have left that for the big boys.
Yeah, we're respectful that way. So here's the one that we originally had, which is the last one on this loop. And look at this view. Pretty nice.